Hi, my name is Zihan Li. I'm going to make a prototype of a small car that's based on Raspberry Pi that can avoid obstacles automatically. And here's what I need. A Raspberry Pi Model 4B, a pendular zoom camera, in this case is an infrared sensor, a platform that can move in 4 directions, and with these motors. Okay, let's begin. I will begin by testing each part separately. The first thing I will test is this E18D80NK infrared sensor. Always remember to turn on the fan first because the Raspberry Pi 4B will produce a lot of heat. I believe that we all don't want our Raspberry Pi turned into a real Pi with metal filling inside. After the sensor detected an obstacle, the electrical level that it gave to the Raspberry Pi will change. After detecting the obstacle, the system will print a message. When I put my hand in front of it, the system returned the message as expected. The next thing I'm going to do is to combine the platform and the infrared sensor together. When the pendular zoom camera detected an obstacle in the front, the platform will turn the camera to the left side and to right side and to check if there are any other obstacles. Let's run the program and see what will happen. Now it's the motor's turn. The Raspberry Pi alone can't drive the motors as the resistance in the motors will take some voltage off, so we need an extra drive module. In my design, only 2 of the 4 total motors will provide motive force for the car. According to this program, the wheels are designed to move forward together and then backward together. After that, one of the wheels stops and the other wheel keeps going to make the car turn left and right before all of them stops. As all of the components work successfully, it's time to put them together. Okay, let's go test it in fields. In this case, there are obstacles both in front of and at the left side of the car, and the small car needs to turn right to avoid that. If there are obstacles on both sides, the small car moves backward and the system sends a message to show there's no way. This is how it works. Well, thank you for watching. This is the whole process of me constructing a small car prototype. There are a lot of things I want to make improvement. For example, I want to set this device on wheelchair so it can make this movement of the disabled more easier. So the working time of this device should be at least 24 hours. That is a whole day. But for my prototype, the power supply is a battery, and it will run out. It will run out within hours. So I'm planning to change the power supply to something else that is about the same volume or less, and also it can make it work longer. Moreover, like the wires, the process of connecting these wires is really complex, even to me. So I'm planning to divide them into different modules. So when the user install it, and they just need to maybe to install 4 or 5 modules instead of putting all of the wires together. There are still a lot of other aspects I also want to improve before I make it into something that can really make people's life easier. And I wish that day will come very soon.